Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to fix lag on Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you need to click on this settings icon here on the top right corner. Click on it and then go to audio and graphics. And basically there are three steps that I use to fix the lag. And what you can do is you can lower the graphic quality and increase the frame rate. And the second step is you need to start this shader preload. So what it will do is it will reduce the lag in game as it already says, and what it will do is it will load the map before the game starts. So click on it and then start the shader preload. Also what you can do is you can reduce your FOV. So we will go and search for FOV. Maybe it's not here. So there it is. So you can reduce this FOV range to 60, around 60 to 70 if you want, so that it will fix your lag issues. You can also do it from here. So that's how you can do it, guys. That's it for today. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.